entire story. So data or statistics. Statistics means a, a set of reading, मतलब कुछ रिसर्च किया, कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन ढूंढ के निकाला, उसका जो रिजल्ट है वो न्यूमेरिक होता है, ओके वो नंबर्स में होता है. सो व्हेन इट इज इन नंबर्स, मतलब the chances of it being accurate is higher, right? Now me telling you, listen to me very carefully when I'm going to start explaining this, okay? Now me telling you that I ate a few bananas, okay, as compared to me telling you that I ate 2 bananas, which gives you a better idea of what and how much I ate?
Eating 2 bananas.
Eating 2 bananas, correct? Now if I say a class scored, a classroom as in grade 6 or grade 5 scored an average of 30%, okay, and instead of that I say that grade 5 had 26 children, of which 10 children scored 20 marks, another 10 children scored 45 marks, and the remaining children scored 86 marks. Which is
Class
better?
5. Class 5.
Class 5 did an average of 30% is a better statement, or class 5 of 26 children, of which 10 scored so much, 10 scored so much, and
Second. The
second.
second one which you said.
Subhan, any reason why you're not contributing to the conversation and you're fiddling something around?
I'm thinking.
Thinking करके बात भी करो, thinking करके share भी करो. I'm really missing Kanishka and Pranav because थोड़ा और discussion आता. Okay. So, if I give you numbers and specific numbers, is it easier for you to understand the entire story?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
So if I say that I have to buy a few tube lights for our new house, is this better for you to understand? Or I say the kitchen needs 1 tube light, the bedroom needs 1 tube light,
Second.
the drawing room needs 2 tube lights and also a small chandelier or a center light. Which one is better?
The second one which you said.
So what is statistics? Statistics, do one thing, take out
It's
your
the
dictionary.
story of numbers.
Who has a dictionary handy? किसके पास dictionary है? तुरंत
को
dictionary
लाना
निकालो और
पड़ेगा
statistics का मतलब देखो. Look for the meaning of statistics.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, excused. Subhan, jaldi. Ranveer, the quickest person when it comes to dictionary. Chalo, jaldi, jaldi.
Ma'am, found it.
What is it?
Statistics, the collection of analysis of a large amount of information shown in numbers to a fact of piece of data obtained from study of statistics.
Okay, what do you understand from it?
Find my dictionary.
No
Ma'am, that
worries.
it is a
Ranveer is reading
story.
it out for us. Sit back. Don't worry.
It is a story of numbers, or else it is a fact in which the data tells all the details.
Good. So in short, I am going to call it story of numbers. Story में, in any story, we get to understand कौन आया, कौन गया, कभी आया, क्यों आया, कैसे आया, किस साइड से गया, everything we get to understand. Agreed? Not agreed? सुभान, मैं मुंह खोल के बात कर रही हूँ तो तुम भी मुंह खोल के जवाब दोगे. तुम टैन 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 ऐसे सर मत हिलाओ.
Okay,
Oh dude,
ma'am.
look up. Subhan, honey, look up. Look up and talk. I'm
Ma'am, we just paused.
I'm
waiting.
reading.
Okay. Read करके हो गया. चलो, leave the dictionary aside. We got the answer. Okay. All right. So when you get the story with numbers, story में जब numbers के साथ you get information, you have better understanding of the story. Agreed? Not agreed?
Agree.
What is math?
Agree.
Math क्या है?
The language of numbers.
Language
The
of
language
numbers.
of numbers.
I would prefer to talk softly and not scream in class. I can hear very clearly. Okay. And what is statistics?
The story of
The
numbers.
story of numbers.
Story. It will give you a story. It will always have detailed information. It will always have things that you can know and understand the information with proper numbers. Okay? Understood? Now, I'm going to read ahead what's in the textbook. Okay? Data handling is a statistical method, matlab, with detailed number wala story method, and is another branch of mathematics. Okay? It's another branch of mathematics. Data handling is the collection. Collection means सब चीज को gather करना. Analysis. Analysis means what? अभी in chemistry.
Ma'am.
Yes. बोलो.
Ma'am, also it is means rules.
Rules.
Analysis means rules.
No. No. Analysis does not mean rules. Analysis करने के बाद you can make rules. But analysis means मैंने अभी पानी में दूध मिलाया तो अभी क्या हुआ, पानी ज्यादा है, दूध कम है, दूध ज्यादा है, पानी कम है. It all depends upon the measurement of दूध and पानी. Correct? Yes, no, maybe so.
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes.
analysis, a detailed examination of the element of structure of something to physicoanalysis.
What is the spelling?
PHYCHOANALYSIS.
Psychoanalysis. Yes, I think that's, I don't know. Okay, fine. I'll just get back to that word later. Now, please understand. I can only see the word analysis. Oh God. They're too tiny. I can't read them. Oh my God. It's sorry, honey.
Here
It's
is
too
the
blurred. It's
psycho.
too blurred. It's too blurred. It's too blurred when you're bringing it so close to the camera. That's okay. So analysis means I'm explaining it to you right now. Listen to me. अभी मैंने एक ग्लास लिया, उसमें दूध है थोड़ा सा, उसमें पानी डाला, या एक ग्लास लिया, उसमें पानी है थोड़ा सा, उसमें दूध डाला. अब दोनों का केमिकल टेस्टिंग अलग रहेगा, unless the measure of दूध and पानी in both the situation is the same. Are you understanding what I'm saying, or is it too confusing?
Yes, it is understand.
सुभान, तुम टेक्स्ट छोड़ोगे? क्योंकि फिर तो ना तुम टेक्स्ट बुक देख रहे हो, ना डिक्शनरी पे ध्यान दे रहे हो, ना मेरे बात पे. Now you're all over the place, so you're not going to understand what is going on. Sit back and sit straight. Please leave the dictionary aside. If one person in the class has found the meaning in the dictionary, the others should just leave it. Varna you'll keep on searching and then we won't be able to go ahead. Agreed? फिर सर हिलाए. You're supposed to open your
Okay.
mouth and answer me, right? Okay. So, data handling is the collection, मतलब सब चीजों को gather करना, analysis, which means knowing exactly what went in and how much. Okay. Tabulation means putting in a table format, putting the entire numerical information in a tabular. It's called tabulation. Means putting the entire numerical information in a table format. Understood? Presentation. Presentation means you all have done presentation and wow presentation in your life skill class. Who can explain to me what is presentation?
Ma'am, presentation is something that looks attractive.
Presentation is something that looks attractive. Okay. Can I get more statements around presentation?
That makes you do good things.
Nahi.
मतलब not makes you, मतलब makes the thing look good.
Okay. Subhan, what about you? What will be your explanation for it? आज सुबान का नेटवर्क काफी खराब है।
Presentation means like this presentation in a complete clean manner.
In a complete and clean manner. Okay. Ranveer, not now, not dictionary right now. I will explain quickly. Presentation means किसी भी चीज को ऐसे किसी जन को दिखाना जैसे कि उसको समझ में आए कि तुम क्या कह रहे हो, without you having to talk about it. Okay. Presentation means putting across certain amount of information. Presentation means putting across a certain amount of information such that what you have in mind is what is expressed through those numbers and figures for the person in front of you to understand. समझ में आया मैंने क्या बोला? Did you understand?
Yes.
Vihan, you're lost in some world today. No, you're simply just repeating what anybody is talking. You're lost.
Ma'am,
Presentation, we just explained. Data handling is the collection, analysis, tabulation, presentation, and interpretation of data. Now, in your dictionary, look for the meaning of the word interpretation.
Ma'am, I don't have my English dictionary.
That's
So
okay.
let me tell
That's okay. Ranveer will find out and tell us. Don't worry. Interpretation means what? Quick, we have a small activity to do. Jaldi karo.
which spelling I forgot.
Day. Look at the spelling in the textbook. Da. On page 233, you have the spelling of interpretation. Come on, Subhan, go with the sound. Don't tell me interpretation ka spelling batao.
I said no spelling not. Okay, pronounce that, I said.
So children, interpretation means how are you going to explain it to someone so that person understands it verbally? Yes?
understanding understanding a particular thing.
Okay. It can be language, it can be explanation of one particular item, anything. That's interpretation. Okay. Now I'm going to complete that sentence. I'm still on the second sentence of this paragraph. Data handling is the collection, analysis, tabulation, presentation, and interpretation of data as a means of numerical fact. मतलब numbers को लेके ये सब हमको करना है. All right. In this chapter, we will learn about tabulative representation of data. Also, we will learn one more effective method of representing data with the help of graphs. You all have
Ma'am, where are you
graphs?
reading?
I'm still here in introduction. I told everybody go to page 232, 233. I'm reading this.
Oh, you're still reading that one.
So that means where were you? You all have heard of pictographs?
Pictographic script.
Pictographic representation कहाँ पे सुना है ये? Pictographic
Ma'am,
representation
no.
कहाँ पे सुना है ये?
Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization.
Yes, Indus Valley Civilization. Correct. याद आया सुभान कुछ? Indus Valley Civilization में pictographs. What were pictographs?
Ma'am, the art of writing. The art of writing. They use pictographic script
Correct.
for purposes, for writing purposes.
वाह 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 वाह, very nice. याद आया कुछ? Now we are going to use pictographic representations in this chapter and learn it that way. Interesting?
Very interesting.
Okay. So now I'm going to quickly give you a small activity. Okay. And that activity is that you open your math notebook, keep a pencil handy. Open your math notebook, keep a pencil handy. Okay. And you're going to get up, go around your house with the notebook. You're going to get up, go around your house with the notebook and write the number of fans, number of tube lights, and number of windows and doors in your house.
With pen or pencil?
What did I say already at the start? What did I say already at the start?
Take your notebook and a pencil.
Then why you're asking pen or pencil? Okay. Go around your house. I'll give you 2 minutes. You're going to quickly write down the number of fans, the number of tube lights, the number of doors and windows in your house and come back. Get up, go. Let us be sure that we have written the correct numbers. Very important. When you are going to write data, the first source of data collection is very, very important. क्योंकि उसी में गलत किया तो आगे सब कुछ गलत ही होते जाएगा. So the first set of information is the most important information. क्योंकि शुरू में ही अगर तुम्हारे ड्राइंग में 2 फैन है और तुमने 1 लिखा तो बस तुम्हारा बाकी का सारा कैलकुलेशन रॉन्ग होते जाएगा. When you are doing data handling, the first source of data collection is the most important part of it. The rest are all just addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The first set of collection is the most important. Ranveer, your class is in the front. Okay? Have you all collected it? Written down all information? Now in 5 minutes, we are going to put it into a table and I'm going to show you how to do that. Sit down, do not get up from your place and let's follow what's being put up on the screen.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I think we are going to write SR number. Then we are going to write.
Quiet. Let's talk during our turns. I want you to make a table which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay. A table which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
थोड़ा सा जल्दी जल्दी will be nice. हम ज्योमेट्री नहीं कर रहे कि मेजरमेंट से एकदम वो कॉलम्स का परफेक्ट रहे. Okay, when you all will directly put it on the PPT, no, you all will not have to worry too much about the measurement because presentation हम PPT में करेंगे बाद में. But right now you just need to put some square columns and rows so you can start to put down all the information in a tabular format.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Can we wait for the rest of the class, Vihan? Ranveer, you're still drawing lines. You got to be a little faster, my dear.
Ma'am, just a minute.
See, you're
I'm doing
already writing on a ruled book. Okay, on a ruled paper, you're already writing. So you don't really need to draw the lines for the rows. The main thing you have to do is draw the columns. So make it a little faster.
Yes.
Ho gaya? Have you put in the information?
Ma'am, putting.
Putting. Oh my God.
Oh,
So Subhan, tube lights, how many do you have in your drawing room or your hall?
Two.
2. So Subhan will write 2 over here. So I'll just write it as Subhan 2. Okay. So I know Subhan ka ye data hai. Vihan, how many tube lights do you have in your drawing room?
One.
Okay, cool. Ranveer, how many tube lights do you have in your drawing room?
2.
Okay. Now, we are going to continue information about the drawing room. So Subhan, how many fans do you have in your drawing room?
One.
Okay. Vihan, what about you? How many fans in the drawing room?
One. No. Two.
Okay. Thank you for that correction. Very important.
No.
Dude, decide. 1, 2. Okay, Ranveer, how many do you have? How many fans do you have in your drawing room?
3.
Why are you looking around? I thought you made a note of it in your notebook.
3.
Okay. So when you have now collected the information, see, data handling, the first thing you did is you collected information. Remember that sentence we just read? That collection of information. So once you've collected information, then you shouldn't go back to check on the information again. So when you're collecting it, collect it correctly.
Ma'am, there's one more correction I need to make. Tube lights are also 3 in the drawing room.
Okay. Subhan, how many doors in your drawing room? You have 4 doors in your drawing room? Subhan, how many doors in your drawing room?
Oh.
Okay, I'll write 4. Vihan, how many doors in your drawing room?
0.
You have no doors in your drawing room, then how do you enter your drawing room?
By coming without opening the door.
So there is a door, right? So how many doors are there?
Not.
Vihan, how do you enter your drawing room? Vihan, in the class, how do you enter your drawing room?
First I go downstairs.
Vihan, how many doors in your drawing room from where you enter the drawing room?
0.
Okay, I'm going to take it as 0 if you say so. Ranveer, how many in your drawing room?
1.
Okay. So, Subhan, how many windows in your drawing room? Why are you going on mute? Subhan, how many windows in your drawing room?
2.
Okay. Vihan, how many windows in your drawing room?
2.
Ranveer, how many windows in your drawing room?
1.
Okay. Do you see what I have done? Put each of your information in a tabular format. Yeah?
Yes.
The rest of it, can you all fill it up and send it to me later?
Yes.
That is your homework. Okay. Now, I have left one last. Listen, I have left this one last space free. If any of you have a guest room or a kids room, please add that. Okay. If you have both, okay. If you have a kids room, okay, and you have a guest room as well, then please include all of it. We need the entire information. Okay. Are you getting what I'm saying? In case you have a 1 minute, in case you have a kids room and you have a guest room and you have any other rooms as well, then please include it in your entire data. Yes, Subhan.
I have one more bedroom. May I include that?
Absolutely. If you have given it a specific name to that bedroom, like a bedroom number 2 or Subhan's bedroom or kids bedroom, then please give it that name. Okay. That goes for everyone. All right. Okay. On that note, I'm going to close this session now, but you also have a homework. This is your home assignment for today. Here, home assignment for today. Can you do this?
Yes.
Can you all do this? This is your home assignment for today. You all can see it clearly? This is your home assignment for today. Collect information from your house about the below types of books and present them in a tabular format. The number of science books you have, the number of math books you have, and the number of story books you have. I don't want information about any other type of books, okay? We are only looking to collect information about these books. Understood? So today you have to complete this tabular representation of the information that you collected from your house, and you will also collect information about this. I will definitely send this to you on your WhatsApp information, on your daily update. Okay? Got it? Shall we stop now?
Yes.
Thank you, kids. Thank you very much for your time today. So on that note, take a break. Take a small break. Wash your eyes and come back for explore and experience. Wash your eyes and come back.